You thought Teacher Jem won't be here, huh? Nope, that's not gonna happen. I was just kind of busy checking my candies. I've told you before that these are my favorite candies, right? I know I have 12 candies before, and now I only have 5 candies here. I'm wondering how many candies have I eaten already? I just got lost the track of counting because they are just so yummy. I just kept eating them. Anyways, let's see if this lesson can help me solve my problem. Maybe you can help me as well, right? So, let's go. As always, let's energize our brains with this power-up. Explore the number bond. Can you write the related addition and subtraction sentences for this given number bonds to 10? Pause and answer. Now let's check. Since the number bonds of 10 here are 3 and 7, here are the related addition and subtraction sentences. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. And 10 minus 7 equals 3. Did you get them right? 2 thumbs up for you. Today, children, we are learning to subtract numbers when crossing the 10. And at the end of the lesson, you will be able to subtract numbers using number bonds. Look at the illustration, children. How many pencils are there? Yes, there are 13 pencils. How do you know? You are right. I can see one box of 10 pencils and 3 extra ones. How many children need a pencil? Yes, 5 children. So, if the teacher gives them 1 each, how many pencils are left? Easy, isn't it? It's 13 take away 5, and I'm pretty sure you have your own way of solving 13 minus 5. But today, let's do it differently. As Astrid says, we have to break the second given number, which is 5, into 2 parts. Then we subtract each part. Astrid partitioned 5 as 3 and 2. But why? Why not as 4 and 1? Or 5 and 0? Let me show you that using time frames and counters. So, our starting number is 13. Hence, 13 counters. Here, children, we have to reach 10 first. And in order to do that, we have to take away 3 to reach 10, right? Like so. That is why 3 is used as the part of 5. And since we know that 3 and 2 makes 5, 2 is the other part. And to show this on a number sentence, we say 13 minus 3 equals 10. And since we only have 10 now, we take away the other part, which is 2, from 10. Just like that. And to write the number sentence for this, we can say 10 minus 2 equals 8. So, 13 minus 5 equals 8. And to answer the question, there are 8 pencils left. Now let's work out 16 minus 7. As Flo says, this time we have to use a number line. Remember, children, to reach 10 first. So, how many jumps back do we need to reach 10? Exactly, 6. So let's jump back 6 all in one go. And this shows 6 as the part of 7. And since we know that 6 and 1 make 7, so the parts of 7 that we need for this problem are 6 and 1. So let's jump another one. There you go. Now let us write the number sentences as shown on the number line. 16 minus 6 equals 10. And then 10 minus 1 equals 9. So 16 minus 7 equals 9. What an awesome trick to subtract big numbers, isn't it? We just need to remember that it is important to reach 10 first, as this makes it easier to solve the problem. Okay? It's practice time! This time, children, I want you to try answering this subtraction sentence using the strategy that you have learned. Find out 15 minus 8. Use your number line to help you out. Know the starting number and then reach 10 from there. So, what are you waiting for? Pause and answer. Now let's get back together. Were you able to solve this problem using this strategy? Let us see. So, let us reach 10 first using this number line. Like so. We took 5 jumps back to reach 10. So, one part of 8 is 5. And that also tells us that 3 is the other part. So, let's do 3 more jumps back. Now, let's move on to the number sentences. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Followed by 10 minus 3 equals 7. So, what is the answer? Yes, 15 minus 8 equals 7. Did you get this right? That's great! Let's answer another challenge. Tom says 14 take away 6 equals 10. Is he correct? Explain why. Pause and think. Time to check? I think I have to agree with you. Tom is wrong because 14 minus 6 equals 8. But how did you get this answer? Did you use this strategy? Well done, children. Aha! I have figured it out. First, there were 12 candies. I was left with 5 candies. Therefore, I ate 7 candies. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Thanks to this strategy. And thanks to you, children. Now, for your last challenge today, answer pages 32, 35, and 36 of your Power Math book 1B. And that's all for today's math, children. Thanks again, and bye for now. See you again tomorrow.